Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Asrock model and that Windows is installed in UEFI mode. Secure Boot only works with UEFI. Once done, back up your data and ensure you have an administrative account. Reboot and press F2 or Del to enter the BIOS quickly. Use a USB keyboard if needed. Make sure CSM is noted. Compatibility support can block Secure Boot. These steps establish the environment, so the Secure Boot settings you change will persist and be effective. In the BIOS, switch to Advanced Settings and set boot mode to UEFI. Disabling CSM prevents legacy boot interference. Then go to Security or Boot Secure Boot and change to Setup mode so you can modify keys. You should load the factory default Secure Boot keys if you want vendor-signed OS bootloaders. Alternatively, enroll your own keys for custom signing. Make changes deliberately, because keys control which OS images are trusted. Save changes, but don't reboot until you finish key steps. Now switch Secure Boot from Setup mode to Enabled, save changes, and exit BIOS. The board will enforce signature checks on boot. Once the OS loads, verify Secure Boot is active via System Information or EMSInfo32 so you know it's working. If the system fails to boot, power off, re-enter BIOS and set Secure Boot back to Setup mode to diagnose. Check for missing keys or unsigned drivers. As a shortcut fix, restore the keys you saved earlier or load factory defaults to recover access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.